Hey, good morning everyone. How are you doing? Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Today we're going on a hike. We're climbing up the eastern slopes of this mountain behind me, Mount Meron. On the way up there's a few ancient sites that I'm going to share with you, and we're going to start right here at this ancient synagogue. This synagogue is from the 2nd or the 3rd century AD. After the destruction of the temple in Jerusalem, the majority of the Jewish community moved up here to Galilee and established a series of communities and towns, and in many of them they left what's left are these ancient synagogues. So let me show you this one. This one here is called Horvat Shema, the synagogue of Shema. There's like an entrance door post, 2 door posts on both sides, carved out of limestone. It was a rectangular shaped building, had benches all around the sides. In the center, 2 rows of pillars. We can see the bases are still here and the pillars all fell, and there's a staircase leading up to a 2nd floor, and these steps would be leading up to the bima. Here, look how beautifully they are. And up here, this is where they would place the Ark or the Torah scrolls. Take a closer look into this stone structure. It's a mausoleum. It was built in the 2nd century as a tomb. And we can take a look inside. There's a little door here. We can go inside and take a look and see, is Rabbi Shammai still buried in the tomb? Hello, Rabbi Shammai! Just wanted to show you the markers of the Israel Trail. It's 3 colors. The brown is the Negev, the desert, and the blue is the Mediterranean Sea, and the white is the snow on Mount Meron. So this is the symbol of the Israel Trail. It's 1,000 kilometers long, and you can walk on the trail either northbound or southbound. It takes a couple of months. It's a very popular activity in Israel. Usually soldiers, when they're done with their military service, they go walking the Israel Trail, and person on the trail, he's called a shvilist, from the word shvil, the path. And right now this is a section of the Mount Meron portion of the Israel Trail. Yeah, this rock pillar has a nickname by the locals, Kiseh Eliyahu, the chair of Elijah. It's like kind of a 5-meter natural rock with a flat top. It's kind of limestone, and facing the mountains to the east. And tradition is that when Eliyahu returns, Elijah the prophet, he sits on this chair and will await the arrival of the Mashiach, of the Messiah. So where will the Messiah come from? Maybe from the mountains of Gilead. How about the city of Tzfat? Mountains of Golan Heights? Or maybe from the north, from Lebanon. Smile. Yeah, I wanted to show you some of our vegetation that we have in Israel, our natural trees and plants. This tree here, in Hebrew it is called elah, like a terebinth. Okay, in Hebrew elah. This here is the sage. In Hebrew this has a beautiful name, marva. And this flower here, in Hebrew it's lotem. In English I think it's the rock rose. And these flowers, we call them dam hamakabim, the blood of the Maccabees. And then the queen of our flora is this tree here. It's our local oak. It's kind of like a bush, but sometimes they grow to be large trees. And in Hebrew, this tree, alon. So there's the oak, the alon. And this is the terebinth, the elah. Together, alon and elah. So the path down goes through this beautiful ravine. It has a beautiful name, Vadi Sod. Sod, which means secret. So let's climb down this cliff, this rock. Hebrew it's called Ktalav. It's kind of an arbutus tree. It is in the family of strawberry tree. It's got this beautiful red, smooth trunk. רגע, זה משהו לכם מלא, לא?
הבייגל, הכל זה חצי מלא, חצי לא... הבייגל מלא גם, הפיצות גם מלא, הכל מלא. אתה רוצה אז בייגל?
כן. Okay everyone, this is where we end our walking tour on the Israel Trail, on the section that climbs up and down Mount Meron, Har Meron. I hope you enjoyed our tour. I enjoyed it very much. It was a lot of fun. So I'm going to ask you once more to subscribe for the channel. Stay with me on my next tours of this beautiful country, Israel. And Shalom, shalom. Take care. And love you all. Bye-bye.